L&T टेक्नॉलॉजी सर्व्हिसीन दृष्टिदोष आशिल्ल्यां खातीर दवरिल्ले तिरंगी T20 अंडरआर्म इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेट सर्तीचो मुखेल पावंडो गोंयान 8 ते 13 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन जाता. परवरे GCA ग्राउंडार सोमारच्यान सर्त चलतली. हे सर्तीन भारता सयत इंग्लंड आनी श्रीलंकेन वांटो घेतला. बेंगळुरान उक्तावण जावन 2 मॅची जाल्यो, उरिल्ल्यो भायर.
So this triangular series kicked off in Bangalore day before yesterday. That is on 5th was the first match where England played, and yesterday India Sri Lanka played, and second match India England. 2 matches were played in Bangalore, and from 8th onwards, rest of the matches, 4 league matches will be played, and then top team will qualify for the finals, and second and third will play for the finals. So in all, there are going to be 6 matches in Goa from Monday to Saturday. Every day there is going to be a match, and 13th is the finals. So winners and runners will have cash prizes, and so I invite everybody to come and watch and cheer the blind cricketers, which you will enjoy the most.
It's the first time?
Yeah, Goa, it is the first time. And in India, we have hosted many international championships across the country, but not
cricket.
Cricket for the blind. But Goa first time, so I'm sure there's going to be a huge response. A lot of people will come and know how blind play, and will watch and encourage them. It's a very, very interesting game. And first time triangular series is happening between India, England and Sri Lanka actually.
खेळा मंत्रालयाकडच्यान सर्तीक आदार मेळ्ळा. ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट वयर काडूंक कायमस्वरूपी अनुदान मेळचे म्हूण यत्न चल्ल्यात.
Yeah, so we have been repeatedly asking Government of India to recognize this Ministry of Sports. Ministry of Sports has supported us, giving cash prizes and grants to run this, but we are yet to kind of get into their regular grant mechanism. So we are asking them to recognize this so that we can promote this game to grassroots level. We can support more visually impaired to take up games, and they can also get other benefits like other sportsmen gets in the country. So unfortunately our boys are not able to get the similar benefits. So through you, probably I request once more our honorable minister to consider recognizing this so that our boys also get the similar privileges. Yes, so we are very happy that we are organizing first time international match in Goa. The way Goa has responded, especially Goa Cricket Association, we are very, very impressed, and I think it looks like Goa will have a very warm reception for blind cricket, and the arrangements made by Goa Cricket Association, Dayapagi and his team is really commendable. So we are very, very happy that we are organizing the first time international tournament, triangular series between India, England and Sri Lanka.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.
रायज जाल्ली अंडर 14 भुरग्यांची SVD फुटबॉल सर्त नावेलीचे पर्पेच्युअल स्कूल हायस्कूल जिखले. कुगळेचे अ लेडी ऑफ गुड हेल्थ उपवस्थात पर्पेच्युअल सुकूर हायस्कूल फायनलीन 1 गोलान जिखले.
Being talented and qualified for Super Konkani. Okay, happy birthday. Let me check it in.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।